Hey yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, a J, a O, a H, a H, a A, a B, R, A, H, A, M. And just like in the title, we gotta we gotta continue with the physics assignment. Physics exam, more precisely speaking. Where is it? Where is my assignment? Where is the physics assignment? We still haven't gotten past this one. But hey, we got 90 subscribers. That is fucking crazy, gang. Wait, it's 89? Okay. Okay, I need to post that. Never mind. We are back to 89 subs from 90 subs, but still let's fucking go. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, counting down. Yes. So describe the data in double logarithmic diagram. Okay, fast. It should be in the power law formula, including the K and A. I forgot what those terms mean and what are their equations. What is this? Come on, don't waste time. Don't waste time. Please. Does my tablet have enough charge? Nope. It is dying. It's almost dying. So log n2 by n1, that's k. K is an exponent, a is a prefactor, nt follows the power law growth, general law model, nt equals at, meaning of the parameters, k is exponent mathematically. Mathematically, it is change in log of n, but using data points, well, how is delta log of n results in n2 by n1? Oh, you can, okay, yeah, I know this. Mathematically, delta log n, delta log t, log n minus n1 minus n2, log n2 by n1, right? Or something like that. T raised to k, what? So that, So if I have to find the a equals n of t with t raised to k. I'm gonna share the screen. Let's find the k. Log of n2. 1.19. 1.19 divided by 0.75, okay. Zero 0.79 4 by 1. Equals, oh, stupid. We gotta get the log. So it's 0.178 divided by 4, log of 4, 0.602. 0.295. Let's say 0.3. So if we get that to 0.3, what does that mean? A equals t equals 1. NF, what was NF? 0.79 divided by 1 raised to 0.3. How? I forgot how you do that. Wait, 1 raised to 0.3. That should be 0.3 itself, right? Oh, 1 itself, right? I gotta check that. Gotta check that. Can I share my screen, my face? Should I show my face? I tried. ALR from somewhere. Hi, I am back. You back, son? Or the daughter? I appreciate you for checking out the stream. ALR from somewhere. How you doing? So, where was I? You got 73 subs. Roblox. B2B King videos. Okay. Interesting channel. So, I was doing this and the when I tried calculating A, I got 0.79 raised to 0.3. How do I answer the 1 raised to 0. Just a minute, I'm gonna mute for just a second. Okay, we're back. I just got the call. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Just got a call. Standard polymer models. Identify the scaling laws. This is the real starting point. Like a start point? Like you start from here? That type shit? Uh, Identify the scaling laws. This is the real starting point. Macromolecules in a large number of N monomers on length L. Depending on the molecular structure, there are different scaling laws for the end-to-end distance R as a function of the number of monomers. If for extended molecules, folded molecules, can you explain this once more? Cause I'm having a bit hard time visualizing the different types of macromolecules. Broken formats, okay. What is being plotted conceptually? You're plotting how the size of a molecule grows when you keep adding monomers. Each monomer has a length of L, total number of monomers, and end-to-end distance R. So the question is, if I keep adding beats to a chain, how far apart do these ends get? Okay. The four macromolecule types. Extended molecule, rod-like. Okay, that is just N times L. Every new monomer extends the molecule in the same direction. Folded molecules, there are two scale laws. Each monomer points in a random direction. Some steps cancel out. The growth is slower because directions are random. Okay. It not always keeps on adding up. That's what I think, okay? To increase R by the factor of 2, you need 4 times more monomers. Wait. A tangled rope that cannot pass through itself. Monomers still bend randomly but avoid overlap, so this molecule is more swollen. Grows faster than a random walk but slower than a straight rod. Grows faster than a random walk but slower than a straight rod. Okay. Collapsed molecule. Whereas for collapsed molecule, Attractive forces dominate. The chain packs densely. Volume grows with n. N is the number of monomers. So okay, I kinda am starting to understand the scaling happening here, but I'm curious on the like, can you explain how many monomers are needed for the molecule to increase the R of unit 1 centimeter, that is L? Can you explain this for each cases? Like, for the normal one, it's one monomer resulting R increase of 1 centimeter, that is L. But for the others, illustrate the expansion of molecules in a double logarithmic diagram. Assume for simplicity that so assume monomer length L equals 1. General method important. Then the rate. What? D of R by D of N. Extended molecule broad, like, yeah. Best possible growth. Random walk. So what does that mean? What? Ideal folded chain. So wait. What? You need 2000, so what? That's for this number. No, I need to know how much 2 times of root n. And here it's 5 by 3 n raised to 2 by 5. Okay. So here, which is more preferred? Makes more for makes which of these least number of monomers for one unit for R to increase of L length. You already wrote the right proportionalities, self-avoiding, random walk, collapsed. Now compare the exponents. Smaller exponent, slower growth, fewer monomers needed. Uh-huh. Final ranking. 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now I need to bring back something I used to do. Push-ups. 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 This long hair is so annoying. Twenty. Oh. So highest is smaller exponent, slower growth, fewer monomers needed. Wait. Collapsed molecule. The last one. Okay. Okay, I kind of get it. How do I start? Thanks for set time for 30 minutes. Just a minute. Damn it! Yay! Beep, 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 beep. So identify the scaling laws. R is into a distance. Plot the double logarithmic diagram. Log of n, log of r formula. Illustrate the expansion of molecules in a double logarithmic diagram. Expansion of the molecules. Uh-huh. Uh, Assume for simplicity that L equals 1 centimeters. Draw a diagram for one. Why is it best to plot the data logarithmically? What are the sizes? Illustrates the. My doubt is we have 5 different types of scaling, or 5 different types of molecules, or how. So we give this number to all of these. Is that what you mean? I don't get it. How do you start this? Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I am. We got a comment. What is it? Love your bike, man. It's cool. I would recommend a rear vendor. I believe that's the rear vendor. Yeah, I should have gotten. Off-roading. Mm-mm-mm-mm. We back on 90. So what was I thinking? Oh, I got only 20 minutes. Wait. I don't get it. How do I start? Like right now we have 4 or 5 different types of molecules, and we are given the n value of the rate 1 and 10 raised to 10, and should I give that n value to each cell co-type and plot each of them their log diagram? Exactly, that's how you start, bro. That's a lot of work. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, I get that. Now, why is it best to plot the data double logarithmically? Because it helps us. I know the reason why it is better. Why is it best to plot the data? Plot the data double. What are the sizes to be different? What are the sizes of the different molecules for n equals 10 raised to 10? Read out the diagram for which value of the monomer unit n and end-to-end distance of r equals 10 raised to 3 centimeters obtained for all macromolecules model. Okay, so second question we have extended molecule. Extended molecule R normal equals n times L folded R equals BAP n raised to 3 by 5 times L and R equals n raised to 1 by 2. And the last one collapsed. N raised to 1 by 3. Whoa, whoa, whoa! We got a chat. XCWR7 dude. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? Oh, study, huh? What's up, bro? I'm studying too. That's good. That's good. That's what it should be. I don't like physics not much, but chemistry's best. Okay, I mean I agree. Both has their own highs and lows. But hey, XC, I appreciate you for checking out the stream, and I do admire the fact that you're studying. That's good. Learn. M- Mik Mik Mikhailish Kiefer Mansaya. I saw your comment. Yo, what's up? I appreciate you for checking out the stream. Thought I visit. I appreciate you for visiting, bro. It shows that people care. What was I saying? Yeah, I saw your comment about the Fender. I forgot the name, but it would be good if I have had one. And I apologize for the latency because it takes about 20 seconds to reach you. What I say in real time, it takes about 20 seconds. It's just for YouTube. For Twitch, there's no latency, but YouTube, there is that latency. I don't know why. But hey, appreciate the. So we got collapsed, and first part, draw a diagram. Draw a diagram for what? For 1 raised to n, 10 raised to 10. Okay, I'm gonna share the screen. Disclaimer, I might not see the comments that are gonna come up because when I share the screen, I'm only seeing my tablet screen. No comments. I My laptop screen just goes blank. So, we got n 10 10 square, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 10. R1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what? I could make it a bit. Beep, beep, beep. Fuck. Fuck. You know what? We got solutions. We got fucking solutions. R2, R3, R4. Okay. Think! So this one is just n times L, or wait. There's a small difference. 10 raised to 0. L, 10L, 10 square L. No, the same thing. 10 raised to 4L, 10 raised to R2, what is R2? N raised to 3 by 5. That's L. They all start with L. Okay. Now, 10 raised to 3 by 5. How do you write that? 10 raised to 3 by 5. Mm. Wait. Mm-hmm. Okay, so from, we're saying 4 times L. Think fast, think fast. 6 divided by 5. Mm. 20 divided by 5, okay. 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to, okay, so that's an exponential growth up there. 10 raised to, how is that possible? What? 10 raised to 4. 12 by 5. Wait, I was wrong. 251. Ten raised to 5. Where is it? 6 raised to 18. 3.9. It's about 4 times L. 7 raised to 21. 21 divided by 5. 15, 16. Let's say 16L. 8 times 3. 8 3s are 1 8 3 3. Wait. 63.1 L. 27 divided by 251. 30 by 5. 30 by 5. Come on, I can do that. 10 raised to 6. Whoa. Okay. R3. N raised to 1 by 2. Okay. L. To 10 times L. Whoa, that's a big jump, but makes sense. 6 by 2, 3. 10 raised to 3. That's again a big jump. Okay, but it's okay. 10 raised to 7 by 2. 3.5. 3,000. 8 by 2, 10 raised to 4. 4.5. 31.6 into 10 raised to 3 L. 10 raised to 5 L. What's R4? It's 1 by 3. They all start at L. That's interesting. So I'm guessing the normal R1 is gonna have exponential growth, or 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 is it gonna be just power law? I don't know. 1 by 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 by 3, 10 by 3. 2 point. 10L. 21.5 to 5 by 3 of 46 point. I hate this type. Let's just say 46.4 L. 6 by 3, 10 square L. 7 divided by 3. 2, 1, 2 and 5. Come on. Four. 0.6. 10 raised to 3L. So these are the values. Now I gotta find the log. Let me see the rest of the question. $30. It's so slow, bro. I'm so slow. What you doing? A boy QC2. What does one viewer equals Undertale mean? Oh, that is actually that's actually an interesting question. It means if there's one engaging viewer, I would play Undertale, the game Undertale, for 15 minutes. I recently beat a boss. It was some sort of spider. That was cool. Not the talkative type Arya. I mean, no, dude. When you share the screen chat, does not show. Whoa, Mikhailash, I appreciate you for letting fellow YouTube comment know. Did not realize that. Well, it's okay. A boy QC2SZ. Appreciate for checking out the stream. So I did convert everything back to its form now, the double logarithmic. Also, when I plot the data, what are the x and y axis? One would be log of r, log of n. Okay, okay. Okay. How do what would be the most fastest way I can plot it? N log of N is common for all. Log of R is gonna keep on changing. Okay. Uh, do I have to do all the log? Do I though? So that means I'm just gonna go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 5. Yeah, that's. Is it just an assignment or are you studying? I have an exam coming up on 13th of January. 6 days. 6 fucking days. And I got about 11 assignments that I can work on. And I am so slow. I don't know. So, plot. So, log of n. Wow, good luck, man. I appreciate that, bro. I saw you comment on the video. Do you have a fixed gear, or what type of bike do you have? Or, I mean, do you have a bike? What is log of 1? 0, okay, 0. Mm. I have a fixed gear. Yeah, hell yeah. I think you are the first person I am conversing through online that has a fixed gear. That is crazy. I think I've seen one or two fixed gears in on the open world, but it's crazy. I really appreciate you have a fixed gear. That's why I recommend it to you. My pants keeps getting wet. Yeah. One time my jacket, my pants, everything was wet. Oh, and not just getting wet, it's the dirt. Fellow fixed gears, do you have front brakes or are you the no brakes fixed gear? Uh, I've seen some people without no brakes. Like, come on, at least you gotta have the front brakes. No offense if you don't have any brakes. Okay, it's just. Hmm. I use both. Okay, yeah, both front and back brakes. That's good. Yeah, I only have the front brakes. I was too lazy. I mean, I do have a reason for not using back brakes. My main reason was, it might sound stupid, and it is stupid, was when you put the back brakes, the the cable for the brakes, it's gonna it's gonna go through the frame, and I want my frame to look absolute clean. It's either the brake cable should go through the inside the frame. If it was that case, I'm okay, but my bike does not have that option. So I was like, fuck it. No, no brakes. No back brakes. Oh, I was just, but I should say front brakes are pretty good. Sorry, no, like sometimes I use brake and brakeless. Okay, you just remove the brakes. Interesting. Like for stunt type sheet. Hmm. So in the case of R1, it's gonna be a linear growth. It's just gonna be a straight line. But in the case of R2 and stuff, let me see. 15.8. 1.198. I hate these numbers. I'm gonna write 1.2. 4. 251.2. 2.40. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. 4. 0.602. Oh. Whoa, what? What? The R2, 10 raised to 6. 6 threes are 18, 18 by 5. Hmm. It was 3,000. Okay. Looks like I made a mistake. Let me see if I could recover. Mm. 8301 is 3. 4. 24. 3.6, 6.3, no, 6.3, 4.8. It's increasing. That's good. Uh, 10 raised to 6. 6. Okay. So that's for that one. I'm gonna share the screen again. So if there's any comments, chat, I won't be able to see it, okay? Apologize. I still need to figure out the way where I could see the chat and I could share the screen. I could I could read the chat through my phone, right? Yeah. Let me see if it's possible. Okay. OBS crash? No, OBS does not crash. So, R2 log 10. Log 10 should be 1, right? 10 to 6 3. Oh, I'm guessing 4. No, it's 3. Wait, 8 4. Oh, yeah. That's right. That's right. That was easy. Now 4.6. 464.16. Come on, 2.6. 2, okay. So if I start drawing graphs, let's start with R2. You know what? I think it's better to keep it upright. What? Okay. I just need 4 points. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Mm-hmm. Dude, a lot of waste space here. Mm-hmm. 1.2. 2.4. 2, 3. 3.6. 3.6. Interesting. These are random guesses. I don't think it's true. 4.8. It's gonna be 5, so let's say 4.8 is here. 6. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. Is there any point in drawing the graph actually? I get the point that it's gonna be increasing if I take the log diagram, logarithmic plot. Where's R3? Oh, R3 is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, interesting. So 1 should be here. 3 should be here. 5 should be there. Uh, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 1. We got 2. Nope, that was wrong. Focus, boy, focus. Three, 4, 5. Yep. Yeah, that's straight line enough. R4. Mm-hmm. 0.66. That is such an interesting number. It should be 1 should be here. Okay, should be somewhere around. Nope. 1.33. 1.331. Okay, it should be somewhere around here. These are random guesses, bro. 2. 2.6. Ah, fuck, 2.6. Where's that gonna be? This is 3. This is 2.5. Should be somewhere here. Somewhere, yeah, that's good enough. 3.333333333. 3.5, 3.3 should be somewhere. Yep. Interesting, the angles. Okay. 59, okay. How much is this? 61? Okay. So, yeah, all are straight lines. 69, 61, 69. That's a cool number. Okay. What's the point? What's the point? The come on, come on. Okay. I did try to plot the log. N values of 10 to 2 for so they rate of power, is that how it's said? I don't know. Again, I also noticed the R2 61 degrees. $69. I'm guessing again, I don't see what objective here. I don't know if anyone's on the stream, but if you don't mind, can I refresh the chat? Because, you know, this site is looking a bit, lot of words, right? I don't think nobody minds. Mm, this is exactly how the double logarithmic plot works. The fact that all lines are roughly straight confirms all these molecules follow a power law growth. Flattest line. Hmm, which is the flattest line? For me, the collapse is the most steepest. Hmm. To make me a Python that takes the log of the set values of R, also plot the four different. 91 subs. Let's fucking go. Interesting. Why? Mm-hmm. Yo, do you stream every weekend? Nah, every day. Every single day. At least that's what I wanted. Some days I accidentally skipped my stream, but yeah. When the point of the stream, or uh, how do I say that? When I started my channel, it was on the logic like I have to study no matter what. I have to study. Why not record? So yeah, it started with whenever I sit down to study, I stream. It's like a form to keep track of my studies. But then I was like, oh, it's not just studies. I could do whatever I want. That's that's cool. I could post my spiking video. I can do watch Reddit for 5 minutes and post that. I can play video games. I used to play video games, but right now I had to pause because I lost my job, and yeah, my parents made a good statement. They were like, if you don't have a source of income, should you spend time on entertainment? And I was like, oh, okay, that kind of makes sense. If I have a source of income, that makes then having entertainment like video games makes sense. But right now, I don't have any source of income, so I paused the video games. Other plus Python file, copy, paste, copy, paste. So that's collapsed. Number of monomers. Okay. Can you switch the axes? What happened here? GPT made a mistake. AI made a mistake. AI is over. Don't trust AI. The AI bubble is popped. Where do I? You wrote. Not me. You wrote. Not me. You wrote make the codes match. Where is that line? Yep. Give me the full code. How similar is this compared to mine? Where are the graphs, bro? Apple, stupid ass Apple. Where is the syncing? Maybe if I close and reopen. Nope. Extended is okay. That's how I suppose that's gonna work. Self-avoiding, that would be R2. Yeah, kinda. Okay. What are the best sizes of different molecules of? What are the best sizes of different molecules of N equals? So R2 equals R3 equals do we have this symbol? Yeah, yeah. I did have that. 10 raised to 3. If I had that, then I could just put this. Oh, I could just put. Wait, come on. Oh, I could just put. Oh, let me know if it's correct or not. It's been more than 1 hour, if I understand. Yeah, it's been about 2 hours. I should make it 1 hour, and I should switch subjects in between. Did I get enough progress in 2 hours? Yeah, kinda. Kinda. 10 raised to 19. Why? Oh, 10. Okay. So your numbers are correct. Read out the diagram for which values of monomer. Should I trust GPT like this? Read out the diagram for which. Oh, whoa. Read out the diagram for which value of monomer units end-to-end distance of r equals 10 raised to 3 is obtained for all. What are you yapping, bro? What is it yapping? I'll stop with this question. Wait. So we need r equals 10 raised to 3. That's the question, right? Read out the diagram for which value of the monomer units n at the end-to-end distance of r equals 10 raised to 3 obtained for all macromolecule models. So we need to get r equals 10 raised to 3. And we need to find how many n's are needed. Let me see if I could solve it. I'm gonna share again. Now for R2, what is the equation? N raised to 3 by 5 So, so 10 raised to 3 equals n raised to 3 by 5. Uh-huh. How do I solve how do I do this math? I forgot. Uh, Let me check. 3 by 5, you convert it to 0.6. Take both sides to the power. So when you bring this power to the other side, it gets flipped. Okay, I guess that's doable. So R3 n 1 by 2 L 10 raised to 3 equals n 1 by 2 n equals 10 raised to 3 by 2. That's like some that's like 31. What? That these two numbers are so off. Like what? Whoa, 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 whoa. No, that's the mistake I made. I see it now. I see it now. Okay. And raised to 1 by 3. Yep. Got him. Got him. Yep. I think that's enough. That's enough physics for right now. I gotta switch to math, but before that, I think I have to call my parents. Oh, well, yeah. I'm gonna end the stream, and not gonna lie, today was a really good day. Cause usually when I stream, I don't get that much people. Maybe your average Sans fan, once in a while, someone in Twitch. But today I got a lot of new people. I get to know a lot of new people. That's cool. That's cool. Respect. Peace. Peace out, YouTube. Shout out to Mikhail, Mikhali, Mikhailish Firmine Saya. Shout out to a boy. Shout out to XXE. Shout out to ARL from somewhere. Peace out.